Hi friends, iTech here. Apple just launched its next-gen iPhone 12 with faster 5G connectivity and several cool color options. In this video, let us check the new iPhone 12 color options. Come, let's get started. Friends, this year iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini comes in 5 color options, and they are Friends, what do you think about iPhone 12 colors? Which one will you choose? Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. Please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.